Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can become a teacher on Quizlet. So at the beginning, when you are creating an account, you will see here sign up for free, and under here I'm a teacher. So click here on I'm a teacher, and then you have here sign up for free. So let's go click on it. I will go with a Google here, just like that, and we are in. So you put in your information there, email, name, and so on, password, and you are basically then right here in this main page. So now what you are going to do is you basically can create a classroom here. So let's go here to your library, and then we will select here classes, and then join or create classes. And now you can press here create a new class, name this class here, then you need to put in the school name, and after that you just create the class just like that, create. And as you can see here, now we can add some material into it, and we also can invite through the Google or copy link. I think here also we can invite using email. And that's basically it. This is how you become a teacher on Quizlet. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.